Hey Tesla owners, ready to elevate your driving experience? Whether you own a Model 3 or a Model Y, we have something special for you. Introducing the 8.9-inch CarPlay HUD display. Let's explore its amazing features. This high-resolution display transforms your driving experience with stunning clarity. Imagine crystal-clear visuals seamlessly integrated into your Tesla's dashboard. It's like your car is saying, "Welcome to the future." Installation is a breeze with its plug-and-play setup. No tools or technical expertise needed, just plug it in and you're good to go. The Plaid Mode UI adds a sleek and sporty look to your display. Enjoy wireless CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity for your favorite apps. Full steering wheel control makes navigation and media access effortless. Day or night, this HUD adapts perfectly to your lighting conditions. Compatible with Tesla Model 3 from 2017 to 2024, including the Highland model. And for Model Y owners from 2020 onward, you're covered too. Elevate your Tesla experience with this game-changing HUD display. Upgrade today and see the difference for yourself. Experience the future of driving. Thanks for watching and happy driving. Enjoy your new and improved Tesla experience. Catch you in the next video. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and upgrades.